Hello everyone, myself Dr.P.Aruna Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Technology, Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about Agile models, Agile process model. So before that we have learned about different software models and what are the different processes they have to face and what are the analyzing methods they are using, what are the different tools required and how the process can be delivered at the end of the time. It plays an important role in the software engineering. Let me see about an agile model. So the agile model in the software engineering. So the agile model is software development methodology. So it is one of the software development methodology focused on iterative and incremental development. It means incremental means each and every time they have to involve within customer requirements and they have to change accordingly. So prioritize collaboration, flexibility and customer feedback. So it gives prioritization to the collaboration along with an flexible customers. Okay, next, history of the agile technology, that is an agile software process model. So it was developed in the year of 2001 by manifesto. So there are different developers founding principles by 17 software developers. So why means there are facing lot of drawbacks in the previous models, waterfall model, it may be an incremental model, iterative model and so on. They have to involve within customer each and everything. So the replacement of agile model with an other model plays an important role. Why we are moving into the agile model, let we are going to see about reaction to rigid traditional methodology like waterfall model. But the concept they are following in the different model also, here they are including this, that isn't the concept which we are facing in different models. Here also we are moving to the particular models, but there may be light changes. Let me see about that. Core principles of Agile model: individual and interaction over process and tools, each and every time. Working software over comprehensive documentation. It means each and every time the documentation should be maintained for clear understandability. Next, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. So here customer collaboration over a contract negotiation means limited period of time only customer can communicate with an developers for changing the process. According to the requirements, they can change, but within a limited period of time. So responding to change over flowing a plan. Next, this is the life cycle of the agile model. It's same as in previous models. Requirement gathering, planning, after that development, testing, maintenance, deployment, everything should be there in the software agile model also. So we have to plan before getting the data. Requirement should be gathering. After that we have to make it. Already I said that it is called as a designing. Here developing stage is deployment stage, developing, then a testing and maintenance. The name is different from the waterfall model. Next, this is a different methodology used under the agile processing, that is an brainstorm, designing, developing, quality assurance and deployment should be there. So here brainstorming in sense we can say the word as in requirement analyzing the term. For designing we are using it develops the documentations and prototypes in the designing model. In developing model, so they are using collecting the feedback from the users. Iteration process can be done. Then quality assurance means it should be a quality assurance. So we can collect the feedback from the customer. Then we have to make a changes. Deployment, at last they have to hand over to the system customers. Next one. This is the life cycle of the agile model: planning, designing, developing, testing, deploying. Then we can hand over to the customer. It is called as a maintenance phase. After that, they have to follow launching phase: planning, designing, development, testing, deployment, revenue. That is an they have to hand over to the customer. At last, they have to launch the product. Next. So agile life cycle, iteration zero planning, iteration development cycle, release and maintenance, same as previous. So popular agile frameworks: Scrum, sprint based development, Kanban, visual workflow management techniques, XP. There is an extreme programming also used in the agile model. Then scaled agile framework for largest team, they are using these type of frameworks. Benefit of agile model is improved collaboration, then a faster and collaboration and communication, faster delivery, increased flexibility and adaptability, enhanced customer satisfaction. Challenges means we have to adapt to the technology and estimate cost and timeliness. Team collaboration, they need some skills. It is not suitable for all the project, but high level project it should be accepted. Agile and versus and traditional model. Iterative, flexible, and customer focused. Traditional is linear one, rigid and process driven. Key differences: adaptability, documentation, and team role is different from both the models. Conclusion: I conclude the agile model. It is a dominant. We are using a dominant methodology for developing the agile model. It's like an different combinations of different methodologies, process model like increment, waterfall model also. But the technology included in the agile model is different. So they have to force. They need some knowledge about the developing softwares. From this, I conclude the agile model and its usage. Thank you.